Turn on the screen, it's a different kind of war. Red and blue shouting through a slam-shut door. Prices creep up as our country's torn down. But no matter what, trust God, hold your ground. National Guard on the corner tonight. Not for a flood, not for a fire, just fear in plain sight. Everyone's talking, nobody hears. Trading facts for clicks, trading hope for fear. It's a strange time in America today. Truth got tariffs, honesty's delayed. Guns speak louder than reason can. Greed got a seat at the healthcare plan. We're arguing left, we're arguing right, while our house burns down in the middle of the night.
Ice at the door, kids holding their breath. Paperwork deciding life or death. Borders on maps, walls in our heads. Human lives reduced to what someone says. Scroll past blood, tap a heart. Thoughts and prayers, now press restart.
Red or blue, same old scam.
Different devil, same rich man.
A strange time in America today. Lies wear suits and get parades. Power for sale, truth delayed. Benefits stop while stock market trades. We're arguing left, we're arguing right, while our house burns down in the middle of the night. Yeah. While corruption grins behind our flag, shoved so far down our mouths until we gag. Gold toilets thrown for a false king. Can't give up, stand up, get in the ring. Scripture bent just to justify control. It's not just a fight for our lives, it's a fight for our souls.
Shootings on loop, thoughts and prayers. Hashtags fade, but the pain stays there. Eyes quick to shoot, slow to think. A new scandal every second, every time I blink. Borders drawn by politicians' pens. Grab the vote, now redraw again.
Red or blue, same old scam.
Different devil,
Same rich man.